For me, the best place is Tekri because I've never seen this kind of thing. The bamboo rafting is an awesome thing.
Rafting ഞങ്ങൾ 1 മണിക്കൂർ കണ്ടിന്യൂസ്ലി റാഫ്റ്റ് തരും.
Starting point of bamboo rafting. Hi, welcome back to Trips and Tips and me Narayan Vasudevan. The second day of our Thekadi tour, 2 nights, 3 days Thekadi tour started with amazing half-day bamboo rafting. For all the activities inside the Periyar Tiger Reserve like Nature Walk, Green Walk, Jungle Scout, bamboo rafting, border hiking, Tiger Trail, whatever it may be, for all these activities we have to take the tickets from the Ecotourism Information Center which is located on Kumali Thekadi Road. It's a very beautiful, well-arranged office enriched with good supporting staffs. Mr. Mohan, who was in charge of the ticket counter, gave us a good brief on half-day bamboo rafting.
Total up and down 5-10 കിലോമീറ്റർ ഉണ്ട്. റാഫ്റ്റ് ഞങ്ങൾ 1 മണിക്കൂർ കണ്ടിന്യൂസ്ലി റാഫ്റ്റ് തരും. അതിപ്പോൾ 9:30 സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ 2:30 ആകുമ്പോൾ അത് ഫിനിഷ് ആകും. തിരിച്ചു വരും. അതിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് തന്നെയാണ് ഹാഫ് ഡേ ബാംബൂ റാഫ്റ്റിംഗ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സ്ഥലം.
Okay. Thank you.
Mohan.
After collecting the tickets for half-day bamboo rafting, we went to the Periyar Tiger Reserve parking area. The half-day bamboo rafting ticket is costing 1,800 per head. The road which is connecting Periyar Tiger parking area and Ecotourism Information Center is very beautiful and giving such a beautiful view. In addition to the half-day bamboo rafting ticket, we have to take an entry ticket to enter inside the Periyar Tiger Reserve. Entry ticket is costing 70 rupees per head and is available from the ticket counter which is located on Periyar parking area. We took both entry and camera tickets from this ticket counter. We can see a small beautiful office very near to this ticket counter. It's called as Bamboo Grove, which is the reporting center of Vanasri Hall, border hiking and green walk. We can feel a PTR touch here in this bamboo grove too. We can see an office of the tribal heritage just opposite to the bamboo grove is the reporting office of half-day bamboo rafting. It's a small hut model eco-friendly office. Here also we can see the details of different activities conducting by the Periyar Tiger Reserve. These are the some unique activities of Thekadi or Periyar. Remember, we have to report here with the tickets, both bamboo rafting and entry ticket, at least 20 minutes in advance to the scheduled timing. After completing the formalities, they gave us a long socks made up of cloth to protect us from the leech while trekking. As a professional people, half-day bamboo rafting started on time, 9:30 in the morning. Our bamboo rafting group was of 9 people and 3 office staff. The maximum number of participants for a bamboo rafting is limited to 10. Among these 3 staffs who is accompanying us or guiding us, one was a lady forest guard, an armed forest guard to protect us from wild animals, while others were PTR staff, means Periyar Tiger Reserve staff. These PTR staffs are well experienced and they know this Periyar Tiger Reserve very well. They only know the routes and shortcuts inside this forest, animal sighting area and the current affairs inside this Periyar Tiger Reserve. We have to walk, we have to trek 5 kilometers one side. There are so many routes and shortcuts to reach the starting point of bamboo rafting. These PTR staffs are deciding which route we have to go. Anyhow, we never feel tiredness while doing this trekking inside the forest. At last, after 90 minutes of trekking, we reached the starting point of bamboo rafting and we spotted some puck marks on the way. So we were very excited. First batch of half-day bamboo rafting. Those who are started trip at 7:30 in the morning. We can see they are coming back after their rafting. Just now we reached the starting point of bamboo rafting inside the forest, Periyar Tiger Reserve. So we had a trekking of 5 kilometers right now from the ticket counter to this starting point, 1.5 hour trekking. Right now we are going for the bamboo rafting inside the lake, in Periyar Lake. So all our other batch tour mates, the trekking mates are taking their lunch. Unfortunately, we didn't book our ticket yesterday. So we are yet to get the lunch packet from the department. So we are very hungry right now and waiting for the bamboo rafting. So you can see the amazing ambience over here. You can see the building where our batchmates, bamboo rafting mates taking their lunch. That's a forest office.
कौन खिलाता है?
वो सुबह lunch हुआ है.
PTR is supplying a bag with lunch box for everyone, those who are taking the tickets one day in advance. It's a beautiful lunch box. After lunch, we went down to lake, saw a man who is getting ready for his fishing, maybe a tribal who is staying inside the Periyar Tiger Reserve. As safety precautions are compulsory here, we have to wear the life jackets. PTR staffs will help you to wear this perfectly. Some of the tour mates spend little time for the photography. With lot of excitement, lot of anxiety, we started our bamboo rafting in Periyar Lake. Apart from we 3 people, one couple from Mumbai, Mr. Dayasha and Krita, were also came in our raft. There was a small starting trouble for our raft. At last, our PTR staff started our rafting. But it's a nice experience. It's a beautiful experience because we are flowing on the top of water, Periyar Lake. It's bamboo rafting is an amazing experience. You have to try this at least once in your life. All of us were happy, even though we never met a single wild animal during this rafting. But this feelings, this ambience is great, really great. One thing you have to take care while going for this half-day bamboo rafting. So, if possible, select the first batch, 7:30 a.m. starting time. If you are coming at the 9:30 batch, while doing the bamboo rafting, the sun will be on the top of our head. So, it will be little bit hot and the photography will be little bit difficult. We spent around 1 hour in this rafting.
For me, the best place is Tekri because I've never seen this kind of thing. The bamboo rafting is an awesome thing.
So after rafting, we started our return trekking. So this during this return trekking, our PTR staff selected the track, the road through the thick inside forest. It's also a nice experience. PTR staffs told us that the chances for sighting the wild elephants are more here in this route. So we are very much alerted.
Very risky.
Very risky. So by 2:15 p.m. we reached back the starting point of this half-day bamboo rafting trekking point, the tribal office, and we finished our half-day bamboo rafting. So all of us are very happy right now. Stay tuned to Trips and Tips for the next amazing video, best sightseeing point of Tekdi.
My name is Diyesh. I'm with my wife Kreta. This is our first wedding anniversary. We are coming from Mumbai. So it starts from Cochin to Munnar for 2 days, then from Munnar to Tekri 2 days, and Tekri to Kumargaon for 2 days. So now after this we are going for the elephant ride, and in the later we are going for the martial arts show and the local dance show. Tomorrow we will be leaving for Kumargaon. Yeah.
Yesterday what you did?
We did this normal city tour and all that. Spice plantations and all that.
Okay. Have you done the boating?
No, boating is left.
Boating is left.
Yeah, but we have done the boating at Munnar. Okay. Speed boating. Well, that was awesome. That was very nice. For me, the best place is Tekdi because I've never seen this kind of thing. The bamboo rafting is an awesome thing.
I wish you a happy journey ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye bye. I'll share you the videos and photos.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.